Now, how do you get started with digital marketing? At the at the at some point in our conversation on this class, we I talked about how every business has a goal. Every business has a goal that they have, right? The same way as a digital marketer, you need to define what your goals are. Now, what do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? That's a question you must ask yourself. Do you want to increase brand awareness, right? Brand awareness essentially means that you want people to be more aware of your brand, or you want people to be more aware of the brand that you work for. So if you're a digital marketer for a business or for a company, right, your goal could be that you want to increase the brand awareness for that company, right? You want people to know, you want more people to know about that company. You want more people to be aware of the services that that company offers. Your goal could be you want 10,000 people to be aware of the company that you work for. You want 10,000 people to be aware of the services that your company offers, right? Those are questions you would ask yourself. You would ask yourself, do I want to generate more leads or drive sales? Do you understand this? Right? Do you want to generate more leads or you want to drive sales? Driving sales is making sure that people, buy the services or buy the products that, you know, buy the products that your company sells or buys the services that your company sells, right? Leads is generating interest, um, generating a long list of interested people who are interested or could be interested in buying, but they cannot commit financially right now, but they are also interested. That's what leads are. So as a digital marketer, you should be asking yourself, this type of questions. And once you know these goals, once you know what your goals are, you can now develop a strategy for each of them and how you want to achieve them. Now, once you define your goals, you can now even choose the right channels that you want to explore, right? Because if you have the marketing budget, you can explore all the marketing channels. You can explore all the social media channels. You can explore all the digital marketing channels, right? But you have to really think, even if you have the money to do that, right? Even if you have the marketing budget to do that, you are a digital marketer. You shouldn't be spending company's marketing budget on things that will not convert. You shouldn't be spending money on, spending marketing budget on things that you're not even sure would convert. So that's why you have to make data-driven decisions, right? Or you have to research about what people are searching for. You have to research about what people are interested in, right? And not just random research. The research has to be in alignment with how your brand or how the company that you works for can solve that person's or solve that target customer's problem, or will just be a perfect alignment with how your potential customer aligns perfectly with the services or the products that the business you work for sells. Do you understand? So you have to choose the right channels before you get started with digital marketing, because not all channels are what well all channels are worth exploring, right? But it is not every channel that would appeal to the type of company that you work for, or the business that you work for. Do you understand? Some channels will be more effective for your business than others. That's just the truth. Do you understand? So you have to choose the channels that your target audience is using. I cannot really stress this enough, right? You have to use the channels that your target audience is using. If you have a marketing budget of 1 million naira, right, and you have six, right, like you have six digital channels that you can explore. If you blow 1 million naira on all six of them, it could convert, right? But you have to choose the one that your target is using. You have to choose the one that your target audience is using. Your target audience could be using social media a lot, so you would want to spend a significant amount of your marketing budget on social media, because you know that your target audience is on social media, so they will definitely come across your content, they will definitely come across your ads, and that would convert to sales, that would convert to leads, that would convert to engagement for your products and your services. So you don't want to be spending money recklessly. So you have to choose digital channels that your target audience is using. That's very, very essential. The third way to get started with digital marketing is to create high quality content. High quality content might sound subjective, but it is true. High quality content could be a video, right? If you are using a video to promote a particular product or service through these digital marketing channels, right? That video will not be a video that is low quality. That video must be on the highest level of quality. Is video 4K? Is video clear? Is video very compelling? Is the video even creative? Does it have a lot of emotive storytelling? Does it have a lot of things that would make people want to use the product? Does the video convey the message? Does the video convey the message of the brand? Those are kind of questions that you should ask yourself before you spend money on an Instagram ad or spend money promoting a video, a video on any of these marketing channels. Right? You need to create high quality content. Now, your content is at the heart of a digital marketing strategy. We can't even argue that, right? So make sure your content is informative. Do you understand? Make sure it contains every information that your target audience wants to know. Make sure that your content is also engaging, right? It could be that the way the video is shot or the way the article is written, it engages them. It piques their interest. They do not just read one line and they're already getting bored or getting tired or sleepy. It would be written in a way that generates interest, generate intrigue, or create curiosity. Do you understand? So you have to make sure that your content is informative, make sure it's engaging, and also make sure that it is relevant to your target audience. Because if it's not relevant, I mean, it's of no use to them. I would like to even add to this and say that make sure your content is relatable. People people are more attracted to things they can relate to, right? If they see that your content relates to them, they are more in a position to make a decision to either buy your product or service, depending on how you market to them, right? So you have to make sure that your content is informative, engaging, relevant, and relatable to your target audience. The second way you can get started, or this is the second slide. So the fourth way you can get started with digital marketing is, like I said, define your goals, right? What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Do you want to increase brand awareness? Wait, hold on. Okay, I clicked on the wrong slide twice. So this is the fourth medium, right? How you can get started with digital marketing. Okay, this is how you can get started with digital marketing. So I'm going to really explain how to get started with digital marketing again, but with real life scenarios so that it is more relatable, right? So how can you even get started? This is like the fourth week. So you have to promote your content. Please mute your mics. You have to, please mute your mics. Thank you. So this is the fourth way you can get started. You have to promote your content, right? Once you've created your great content, you need to promote it so that people can find it, right? I mean, when you create a post on any of these social media platforms, you will naturally get engagement from people who follow you or people who are attracted to the posts that you've posted or the posts that you've created, right? Or the people that the platform shares your content to reach them, right? So apart from it naturally doing that, you have to also promote it so that it can reach more people. You have to share your content on social media. You have to submit it to directories and run paid advertising campaigns, right? And the fifth way to get started is to track your results. This is very essential. Like I said earlier in the class, every marketing campaign has to be one. A good marketing campaign is one that you can track the returns on your investment, because when you are investing in marketing, you are investing in marketing to get sales, and you're investing in marketing to make sure that the goals of that marketing campaign are things that you achieve. So as a digital marketer, you should be able to track your results. So it is important to track your results so that you can see what is working and what is not. I mentioned this earlier. So you can tweak the things that are not working and also optimize the things that are working to get more results. Do you understand? So there are many different tools available to help you track your digital marketing results online. This is not the class that will get into that, but for the sake of this class, we're just going to um, highlight these five. I mean, highlight these five ways to get started with digital marketing. Now, I'm going to use a real life scenario for this class before we call it a day, right? I already explained the various means of digital marketing, the benefits, and all of that, right? So now I'm going to give a real life scenario of how to get started with digital marketing. At different points in this class, I've even used examples that are still connected with all of these means to get started. But I'm just going to give a generic, a universal example right now, so that everyone understands it and how you can get started as a digital marketer with digital marketing. Just give me a second. Okay, how to get started with digital marketing, real life example. So the first step here says define your goals and what you want to achieve with your goals. To do that with a real life example, I'm just going to open a Google Docs so that we can follow through. Okay. Can everyone see my screen, please?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. Digital marketing scenario. So, how to get started, right? How to get started as a digital marketer. Digital marketer. Real life scenario, right? Let me just make this bold. 14 and make it bold. So, going by going by our presentation, right? Going by the document that I'm sharing with you here, the first thing that we talk about is defining your goal, right? Define your goal. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Do you want to increase brand awareness or generate leads or drive sales? Do you understand? So, for the sake of this class or for the sake of this example, I'm going to define our goals here, right? And what we want to achieve with our marketing efforts or with our digital marketing efforts rather. So let's define our goals. My first goal here with this, so in this real life scenario, we're creating a digital marketing campaign, right? We're creating a digital marketing campaign, and our goals. Our goal is to one, increase brand awareness because increase brand awareness. So let's say we are creating a digital marketing campaign for a Bluetooth headset, a Bluetooth a Bluetooth AirPods. Let's use AirPods. AirPods. What is our goal here? Our goal is to increase brand awareness with this campaign, right? We want to increase brand awareness, and we can't just leave it at increased brand awareness because that is not a smart goal. We cannot measure it, right? It has to be a measurable goal, right? So increase brand awareness to increase the brand awareness of service or product to reach 10,000 people online. That's our first goal, right?